Hello students, today we will start with exercise 4.3 of chapter 4. Find the product, cancel out common factors wherever possible. Okay. First, 2 by 5 into 1 by 8. We have to cancel out the common factors in numerators and denominators. There are two fractions 2 by 5 and 1 by 8. So there are two numerators 2 and 1 and two denominators 5 and 8. If there is any common factor in numerator and denominator, we will cancel out this common factor. Now there is 2 and here is 8. Both has common factor 2, so we will cancel out 2 from both the numbers. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay, now both numerators are 1 and 1 and denominators 5 and 4. Now there is no common factors in numerator and denominator. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerator by numerator. 1 into 1 and 5 into 4, denominator into denominator 20. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Fifth, 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. Here the numerators are 1 and 3, denominators are 5 and 4. In numerator and denominator there is no common factor, so we cannot cancel out any factor. Now multiply numerator by numerator. 1 into 3, 3, 5 fours are 20. So answer is 3 by 20. In question number 9, 5 by 8 into 8 by 15. Okay. Remember, don't start cancellation of common factor in question. First we will write the question here, then we will start the cancellation of common factors. Now in numerator there is 8 and denominator also 8. So we can cancel out 8 by 8. 8 ones are 8 and 8 ones are 8. Both 8 cancel out each other because this is in numerator and this 8 is in denominator. Now here numerator is 5 and denominator is 15. Okay. 5 is the common factor in both the numbers. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now numerator is 1 into 1 and denominator is 1 into 3, 3. So answer is 1 by 3. We can cancel out the common factors from any of the denominator. Okay, 5 is numerator, we can cancel out the denominator from here or from here. So answer is 1 by 3. B part, 3, 1 by 3 by 1 by 5. First, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. By means multiply. 1 by 5. 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 upon 3 into 1 upon 5. Now, the common factor in numerator and denominator is 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So, numerator is 2 ones are 2 and 3 into 1, 3. Fourth, 5, 1 by 10 by 3 by 17. First, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 tens are 50 plus 1, 51 upon 10 into 3 by 17. Now 3, here numerator is 3, but in denominator there is no common factor with 3. So check for 51. Here 17 and 51 has common factor 17. 17 ones are 17 and 17 threes are 51. So answer is 3 threes are 9, 10 ones are 10. Okay. Now in question number 5, 15 by 1, 1 by 5. Convert this mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. 6 upon 15. Here 15 into 6 by 5. First number is a whole number, there is no fraction, so this will count in numerator. Okay, now numerator is 15 and denominator is 5. Both has the common factor 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Now multiply this 3 by 6. 6 threes are 18. So answer is 18. Okay. Part C. Find 3 3 by 4 of 6 6 by 6 2 by 5. Convert both mixed fractions to improper fraction. 15 by 4 of means multiply, by or of both means are multiply. 6 5 is 30 plus 2 32 by 5. Now check the common factors in numerator and denominator. Here 5 and 15 has common factor 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. Okay, 8 threes are 24 and denominator is 1, so no need to write the denominator because denominator is 1. So answer is 24. Now you can do all the remaining parts of this exercise 4.3. Okay, you have to do all questions of this exercise. Skip exercise 4.4 and exercise 4.5. And we will start exercise 4.6. Okay. Simplify. First question, 2 by 3 into 1 by 7 into 4 by 5. Now there are 3 fractions with multiplication. Numerators of these fractions are 2, 1 and 4 and denominators are 3, 7 and 5. In numerator and denominator there is no common factor. Okay, so we cannot cancel out any common factor. Now just simply multiply the numerators and denominators. First multiply the numerators. 2 into 1 into 4 is equals to 8. Okay, 3 into 7 21 into 5 110. So answer is 8 upon 110. Fourth question, 6 by 7 into 14 by 25 into 5 by 18. Now first write down the question as it is. Now start the cancellation if there is a common factor in denominator and numerator. Now here's numerator is 6 and there is a denominator 8. Both the numbers have common factor 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now again 14 and 4 has common factor 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. 7 and 7 both are same, so we can cancel out 7. Now 25 and 5 both has common factor 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Now check the numbers in numerator. 3, 1 and 1. 3 into 1 is equals to 3. And denominator 5 into 2 10. So answer is 3 by 10. Now question number 8. 4 1 by 2, 3 into 3 3 by 5 into 1 1 by 3. Convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. 9 by 2 into 18 by 5 into 4 by 3. Now start cancelling out the common factor. First here is 9 and in denominator there is 3. Both has a common factor 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 2 and 18 has a common factor 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Now there is no common factor remains. Now 9 threes are 27. Okay, sorry, 9 threes are 27 and 27 into 4 is equals to 108 upon 5 because denominator is 5. Now this is improper fraction. Now convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 3 upon 5. Okay. This is the answer for question number 8. Question number 10, 3, 2 by 7 into 1, 1 upon 23 into 2, 1 upon 12. Convert into improper fraction, 23 by 7 into 24 by 23 into 25 upon 12. 23 and 23 are same in denominator and denominator, so cancel out these two numbers. Now 24 and 12 both has common factors. Okay, 2 has a common factor in both the numbers. 2 6 are 12 and 2 12s are 24. Okay, again there is a common factor 2, so 2 3s are 6. 2 4 6 are 12. Now 3 and 6 has a common factor 3. 3 1s are 3 or 3 2s are 6. Now the numerator is 2 and 25. So 25 into 2, 50, and denominator is 7. Okay. Now convert this mixed fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 7 7s are 49. 1 upon 7. Okay. Now there is not another method, but you can easily solve this calculation if you know the table of higher numbers. Means 23 will cancel out with 23, and 12 and 24 both has a common highest common factor 12, so we can cancel out with 12 also. 12 1s are 12 or 12 2s are 24. So 50 upon 7 is equals to 7 1 upon 7. Okay. There are 12 questions in this exercise. You have to do all questions in your notebook. Now exercise 4.7. First, A. Alka is getting dressed to attend her friend's birthday party. She wants to tie a ribbon around her hair. She has 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. She cuts off 1 by 3 of it. What part of a meter is cut off? Okay. Alka is attending her friend's birthday party. Now she has 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. Okay. From that ribbon she cuts off 1 by 3. So what part of meter is cut off? Alka cuts off 1 by 3 of 3 by 4 meter, means 1 by 3 part of total ribbon. Total ribbon is 3 by 4 meter and she cut off 1 by 3 of it. So 1 by 3 of 3 by 4 meter. Now you can solve 1 by 3 of 3 by 4. 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 4. 3 cancel out each other. So numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. So 1 by 4 meter. She cut off 1 by 4 meter of ribbon. B part. Her friend's house is 200 meter away. She walks 2 by 5 of the distance and is then picked up by a friend. How far did she walk? Okay. She's going to her friend's house, which is 200 meter away. She walks 2 by 5 of the distance and is then picked up by a friend. Means when she is going to her friend's house, she walked 2 by 5 of the distance. Means 2 by 5 of the total distance she covered before picked by her friend. Now, what distance did she cover? She walks 2 by 5 part of 200 total distance, means 200 meter. So solve 2 by 5 into 200, 2 upon 5 into 200. Common factor in 205 is 5. 5 ones are 5 and 200 divided by 5 is equals to 40. Now 2 into 40 is equals to 80 meter. Means she covered 80 meter of total distance 200 meter. Part C. Alka is quite a fast walker. Her speed is 25 by 16 km per hour. What distance in meter can she walk in 1 by 5 of an hour? Okay. Speed of Alka is given 25 by 16 km per hour. Means she can walk this much distance in 1 hour. Now we have to find how much distance she covers in 1 by 5 hour. For example, if anyone can walk with a speed of suppose 10 km or 15 km per hour, means 15 km per hour distance covered is 15 in 1 hour. Now if you have to find the distance covered in 3 hours, so what you have to do, you will multiply 15 by 3, because in 1 hour she will cover 15 km, 2 hours she will cover 30 km, 15 into 2, and in 3 hours she will cover 15 into 3, 45 hours. But there is a change in numbers. So her speed is 25 by 16 km per hour. Distance covered in 1 by 5 of an hour. We have to find the distance covered in this much time. Okay, 1 by 5 of an hour. Now 1 by 5 of total distance 25 by 16. 5 and 25 is common factor 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. 5 by 16 km. So she covered the distance 5 by 16 km in 1 by 5 of an hour. But we have to find the distance covered. So distance covered in meter. What we have to do? We have to multiply by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. If we multiply this distance 5 by 16 by 1000, it will convert to meter. Now cancel out the common factors. First I'll start with 4. 4 4s are 16. 1000 divided by 4, 250. Again there is a common factor 2. 2 2s are 4 and 250 divided by 2 is equals to 125. 125 into 5, 625 by 2. Now convert in mixed fraction 312, 1 by 2 meter. The total distance covered in 1 by 5 of an hour. Okay. Fourth D part you can do with yourself. In E part, they all sat down to watch the television program for a 1 by 2 hour. Advertisement took 1 by 10 of the time. How many minutes was that? So the time is given is in hour and we have to find the minutes. First find the time in hour. Okay. Advertisement takes 1 by 10 of time. 1 by 10 of time. Time is 1 by 2 hours. So 1 by 10 into 1 by 2. The time will comes in hour. Then we will convert it in minutes. To convert in minutes, we will multiply with 60. Okay. Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now question number 2. 12 boys go to circus. If each tickets cost 20 to 3 by 4 rupees, how much do they have to pay in all? Cost of a ticket is 23 by 4 rupees. Now the total cost that 12 boys have to pay is 12 multiplied by 23 by 4. Number of boys into cost of one ticket. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. 83 by 4. Now 4 and 12 has common factor 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. 83 into 3, 249. So 12 boys has to pay 249 rupees for tickets. Question number 6. Mala can swim 1 3/5 meter in 1 second. What distance can she swim in 1 minute? Okay. Mala can swim 1 3/5 meter in 1 second, and we have to find what distance she can swim in 1 minute. Distance covered in 1 second is 1 3/5 meter. Distance covered in 1 minute or 60 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So the distance given in 1 3/5 meter for 1 second. So we will convert this minute into seconds, means 60 seconds. Now we can find the distance covered in 60 seconds. So 60 into 1 3/5. Convert this mixed fraction and cancel out the common factor. So answer is 96 meter. So she can swim 96 meter in 60 seconds. The remaining parts you can do with yourself. Okay. Thank you.